warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So for this discussion, we will learn about their activities. So let's start it.
Okay, so we will discuss about daily activities. So the subtitle is talking about daily routines using simple present tense. So yeah, are you ready for this material? Okay, this is learning object. Now, at the end of the lesson, student will be able to. The first, this is mention their daily activity. The second, this is use the simple present tense to describe routines. And the last, this is make sentence about their own daily activities. Ya, kita akan menyebutkan apa saja yang kita lakukan dalam sehari-hari dan juga penggunaan simple present untuk describe aktivitas rutin dan juga membuat sentences. So, the next is what are daily activities? So, apa sih yang kita lakukan dalam rutinitas sehari-hari? The definition, daily activities are the things we do every day. Jadi, daily activities adalah sesuatu yang kita kerjakan rutinitas sehari-hari yang kita sering kerjakan di hari-hari. Nah, the example, this is wake up, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to school, do homework, and go to bed. Ya, contohnya ada dari bangun tidur, sarapan, dan juga mandi, ke sekolah, mengerjakan PR, dan juga pergi tidur. This is a daily routines of activities. So this is key of vocabulary, yaitu kosakata, kunci kosakata dalam vocabulary daily routines. Nah, common daily activities ada apa saja? Yang the first, this is wake up, brush teeth, yaitu gosok gigi. This is a routine dalam sehari-hari. And take a shower, yaitu mandi, get a dress, memakai baju, dan juga have a breakfast, yaitu sarapan. And then go to school, study, play with friends, do homework, have a dinner, and go to bed. This is a daily routine every day. This is a grammar focus, simple present tense. So, we use of daily routine, the use of simple present tense. Formula, subject, verb 1, object, or the time. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. This is simple present tense. Have subject, verb 1, this is wake up, and then time, this is at 6 a.m. And another example, this is she goes to school at 7 a.m. Nah, do not use S or ES for he, she, it. Nah, the preview of video sebelumnya itu sudah dijelaskan dalam penggunaan E, S, dan ES. Another example, this is he eats breakfast at 6:30 a.m. Nah, this is help the subject he, and then verb 1 eats, and object, this is a breakfast, and time 6:30 a.m. Okay, for the next, this is time expression, yaitu menggunakan word to talk about routines. Jadi menggunakan waktu untuk mengekspresikan happen, itu terjadinya. Ya, misalkan in the morning, pagi, at noon, tengah malam, and evening, sore hari, atau di at night, malam hari, everyday, atau setiap hari kalian bisa melakukan itu. Or usually, biasanya, and always, selalu, sometimes, kadang-kadang, atau di waktu kita emang nggak pernah melakukan itu gitu. This is a time expression, yaitu waktu kita mengekspresikannya, apakah sering terjadi atau tidak pernah. Bisa misalkan terjadinya itu selalu di pagi hari, misalkan kayak sarapan. Sarapan tuh ya udah, sarapan breakfast itu pasti di pagi hari. Itu dengan lunch or dinner gitu. Okay, this is example of daily routine sentences. The first, this is I wake up at 6 a.m. So the next, this is I brush my teeth. Next, this is I go to school at 7 a.m. Next, I have lunch at 12 p.m. And the next example, this is I play with my friends in the afternoon. And the last example, this is I go to bed at 9 p.m. Okay, this is let's practice together. The text is match the picture with the correct sentences. This is we have a picture that you can match this word. Have bangun tidur, the English that means wake up. Ya, bangun tidur, makan, sekolah, or tidur. Tidur is sleep, and bangun tidur is wake up. For the example, this is I blah 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 at 6 a.m. Bangun tidur. I wake up at 6 a.m. So the second question, this is I blah 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 breakfast. So this is eat. So I eat breakfast. Next, this is I blah 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 to school. This is go to school. This is I subject, go for one. This is a school object. And the last question, this is I blah 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 at 9 p.m. So kita pakai wordnya itu yaitu tidur. Jadi I sleep at 9 p.m. Yeah, the conclusion for this material, daily activities are what we do every day. Jadi daily activities adalah apa yang kita lakukan setiap hari, yang kita rutin kita lakukan setiap hari. And also daily activities, we use simple present tense to describe routine. Jadi kita menggunakan simple present tense untuk mendeskripsikan rutinitas yang kita kerjakan. So the last conclusion, this is a use time expression to show when the activities happen. Jadi kita menggunakan ekspresi untuk menampilkan kapan terjadinya aktivitas itu. Misalkan di waktu jam 9 atau di waktu jam 6. Nah, untuk menggunakan PM dan IM, untuk IM itu di waktu jam 12 malam sampai jam 12 siang. Sedangkan untuk PM itu di jam 12 siang sampai di jam 11 malam. Okay? So, thank you. And next slide. This is, does any have question? Please comment below. Ya, untuk yang untuk pertanyaan, silahkan komen di bawah. Dan jangan lupa subscribe and like video ini. Okay guys, thank you untuk yang sudah memperhatikan. Thank you for your attention. And last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.